Hi guys, today I wanted to show you this Ocetea multi-pack 240 watts USB-C to USB-C cable in very good quality. So they support PD, quick charge and even USB 2.0 data transfer. Everything comes nicely sealed. So totally in this set we get 3 cables. Here we have 2 times 3.3 feet and here we have once 6.6 feet. And they come in really good quality. We can see and feel that really good quality braided cable. They are tested tens of thousands of times. You can also see here in this area, that's very important, that it builds really nice even bow and not creating like a sharp bending or so, which could damage the cable. That's what we want to see, really nice even bending. And so it's the 240 watts maximum power. We are perfectly prepared for the future. I cannot imagine that there will be more power than 240 watts, not even in 10 years. So if you buy this one, then probably you will never have to upgrade in your life again. So let's see how this works regarding the plug. Yeah, works absolutely awesome. Solid hold. Tight but not too tight, exactly how it should be. So let's see how we can use this cable for PD with different voltage. So here we have 5 volts. Let's increase and we are at 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, 20 volts, even 28 volts now. So turn it around to make it a little bit easier to see. And so let's increase the power. We can see we are at 25 watts, 50 watts, 64, 70 watts, 90, more than 100. And so we are very close to the maximum, 136, 137. That's what's possible here. If I go higher, the power bank will turn off, but you can see it's very stable. Shows exactly the 28 volts which we have from this power bank. Now it has turned off, has nothing to do with the cable. It has just pulled out the maximum what's possible. And this test is to show how much resistance we have in this cable. So it's pretty low, around 110 milliohm. That's definitely a good result. That was of course for the shorter cable. For the long cable we have a little bit more, but still a very good result. And so let's see how this works with charging this Galaxy S23 Ultra. Says super fast charging 2.0. This is exactly what we want to see, super fast charge 2.0. Yes, I would say it's a very decent set. I mean, maybe not top notch, but we have to consider that we get a 3 set with a really good build quality for a super low price, at least at the moment. Maybe a little bit disappointing regarding the data transfer speed with only USB 2.0 and not 3.0. But if you need it just mainly for charging and not data transfer, especially not for large data amounts, then I would say you're good to go here. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out, order a set for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Ocetea USB-C to C cable set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.